Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the manufacturing process tutorial in Manufacturing System Laboratory. In this video, we will learn how to use the software Ultimaker Cura that will be used in process of 3D printing. Ultimaker Cura is commonly used software if you want to print something on 3D printer with the final format is G-code. Okay, the first step, you can click the link in description box and then you can click download. After that, click download anyway, save as, and then you can choose the file and wait till the download process is done. Okay, if you have already extracted file, you can do installation by click the file and then set up on next. For the license agreement, select I agree, and the storage is up to you, and then click next. Click all the existing components, then this option can allow the Ultimaker Cura to open a variety of file formats. You should at least have set up 700 megabytes of memory to install this application. If you have clicked on install, wait until finish. Then you can run the Ultimaker Cura software. And then click finish. And then the Ultimaker Cura has been opened. Okay, after open the Ultimaker Cura, select get started, agree, next, skip. Then in the add a printer section, select add a non-network printer and choose Creality 3D, and then choose Creality CR10S Pro type, and then click next, and then click next until finish. Okay, and that's how to install and set up the Ultimaker Cura application. Okay, now we can see the mold part is already on the base or bed of the printer. In the lower left corner, there is a size of the part to be printed. We can also rotate direction, move object by left clicking on part, and there's some chair like move, and then scale. In scale we can zoom in or zoom out of the part, and then snap rotation, we can rotate the part by X, Y, Z axis. In this part we use Y axis. Okay, now I will explain the right print settings to use 3D printing. To change print setting, click the top right corner, select custom, and then select line 3 and change to all. We can change setting like quality, walls, top or bottom, infill, materials, speed, etc. First is quality. In quality, we can regulate the quality of the result of 3D printing of the design that has been we made. Layer height is 0.2, initial layer height is 0.2, and line width is 0.4. For the detailed Ultimaker Cura setting will be given by the assistant during the practicum. Next is walls. In walls, we can adjust the outermost skin of the product. like a thickness. Wall thickness generally is 0.8 until 1 millimeter. Next is top or bottom. We can set up and down of the layers. Next is the infill that can adjust density of the print content of the product to the infill density. We made 100%. And then infill pattern is just using the gyroid because it includes the strongest of the product. It can support each other. Next is material. In material, we can adjust the temperature to material used in 3D printing. We will set 200 degrees Celsius for PLA. And next is speed. Speed we use to adjust the speed of 3D printing. If too fast, the result is not good. The standard is 50 mm per second. Next is cooling. In cooling, we use to adjust the fan or pipe speed to cool the 3D printing machine. And then support. Just set checklist. And then build plate edition. We will use the type draft type. Okay, after everything set up, we will head to slice to see the estimate time to print the product. Now we can see the estimated time that we need to print the product. Next, we can see the entire setup from the preview, where there is a menu like view type and color scheme to see the color representation. First is helper. There is a support of 3D print. Without this helper, the product would not be as good as the product that use helper. Support or helper can help to prevent the product from fall. And for the placement of the support when printing will be affect the time of printing. And next is extruder. Extruder is a whole product that we print. So it's like the extruder is where the PLA comes out. Next is shell. Shell is used to view the infill. We can set the infill under 100%. Here I will set 19% and 2 mm. And then click slice. And uncheck list the shell. Now we can see the pattern of gyroid. On the right side is the layer setting. If subtract from 94 to 1, the entire layer of the print stage of the product is visible. The printing process is made from 1 to 94. If you look at the layer setting on the number 1, then it seems early that the printing of the product starts from the bottom. Okay, if you have already set up the top or bottom mold part, you guys can do same thing for the other part mold with the same settings as the previous mold, because we will print using two 3D printer machines, so they have to be set up separately. And now we can save the part with the name format according to your group, and the format is G-code. As far as the explanation of Ultimaker Cura, if there are any shortcomings, please forgive us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.